Do you speak English?
Many fun places to roam and eat in Seattle. But sometimes it's more fun to cook. In fact, tonight me and my son are cooking for his friends.
Good evening, Mom.
Good evening. How was your day? It was boring, Mom. We had a surprise test of English in class. You did well, didn't you?
No, Mom. I had thought of revising them all near exams.
Well, that was a silly idea.
My classmates do the same.
Just give an hour daily for go-through.
Oh, Mom. It's so boring. I have to learn swimming, going chess class, watching TV. I haven't any time to study at home.
That's unfair.
I do wish to get good marks in my final exams.
Then you must devote some of your time to study.
Okay, Mom. I am going to make a timetable to follow.
That is a good idea. Now change your dress. I have prepared your lunch.
I haven't invited my friends for dinner tonight. You remember that?
Yeah, take the shopping list.
Yes, Mom, I will.
Please buy all the ingredients on the list. And do not spend too much time shopping.
No, Mom, I won't. See you later.
What took you so long?
Don't worry, Mom. I bought everything on the list.
Let me see. You bought a bunch of bananas, pancake mix, coffee powder, bread. This is all wrong.
What do you mean wrong?
These are the wrong ingredients.
These ingredients are all on the list.
From where did you took the list?
I took this list from the floor.
This is the shopping list for breakfast. I said take the shopping list on the table for dinner.
There was no shopping list on the table.
Oh no, it's on the chair.
Ah.
When do your friends arrives?
They arrive in 30 minutes.
I can fix this. Do you trust me?
Our guests will be here soon. Wow, great, Mom.
Here you go, our dinner is ready.